Hey everyone, so today we'll be learning how to make chicken stock in preparation for my next video, matzo ball soup. Now learning a good homemade stock is a great kitchen essential to learn. And generally speaking, the difference between a stock and a broth is that stock is derived from the animal parts and broth is derived from its meat. Now stock dates back to the days of our hunter-gatherer ancestors in which they used to use all the parts of the animals they killed, including the bones. And before the invention of the pot, they would burn the bones in order to receive the nutrients from within. When the pot was invented, water, vegetables, and herbs were added, and stock was created. Throughout history, stock has been recognized for its health benefits, dating back to the days of ancient Greece, with the father of medicine, Hippocrates, recognizing and recommending it for digestion issues to the people. Alright, let's make some stock.
Alright, let's get started. So here I got about 4 pounds of chicken carcasses. I have about 3 cups of rough chopped onions, cup and a half of rough chopped celery, cup and a half of rough chopped carrot, and a couple of crushed garlic cloves. So what I'm going to be doing here is roasting it. I got my oven preset to 350. Looking to get a little bit of color on the carcasses, on the vegetables, bringing out some of that natural aroma from all this, and then we're going to get started on the stock itself. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes, and we're done roasting the carcasses and the vegetables. So I put it all into a pot here. I'm going to be adding a couple of breast. This is going to be for the soup. I'm going to be adding fresh parsley and thyme, a couple of bay leaves, 10 peppercorns, and 2 gallons of water. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this on high heat, bring it up to a boil, and then drop it down to a simmer. Okay, so we got it at a boil. So I just dropped it down to a simmer, and we're going to be cleaning off some of this scum kind of stuff that floats to the top here. We want to do this about every 10 to 15 minutes for the first hour. Then we'll just kind of do it maybe a couple times every hour following that. And it's going to take about 6 to 8 hours total to finish. I'm going to go ahead and pull the breast out now. I'm adding a bit of water just to make sure the bones are completely submerged. Alright, so we've been simmering this for 8 hours now, so next step's going to be straining it off. I'm going to start by straining it off the big pieces. Then we're going to run it through some cheesecloth, a little bit of a finer strain. Now we're just going to finish straining it through a finer strain. I'm using cheesecloth. Once this all goes through, it should be it. Thanks for watching.